Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. So let's get started. So today we're going to see how to lock Google SafeSearch. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So doing this makes browsing the internet safer. We are using Chrome for this. So to get this started, what we need to do is press the three dots in the top right there and go down, press settings. Press privacy and security. Scroll into security and press use secure DNS and choose another provider. For customize, select clean browsing. Come back and refresh and you're going to see it's locked. So yeah, this is how you can lock your SafeSearch. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you liked it, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and we will see you on the next one.